Fishing planet. Okay, this game. I just caught a fish, guys. Okay. I made my character and caught a fish. By the way, ChatGPT gave me this joke. Oh, you look like you, ChatGPT, bro. You talk like a bot. Connection lost. What do you mean connection lost? Oh my god, bro. You serious? Okay. Okay. Guys, sub up, like the stream, subscribe, all that good stuff. Please, that make me happy, you know? Okay. So, we are gonna try again because I just got locked off for some reason. Okay, fish, go! Go! Give me some fish, bro. I'm hungry. Give me some fish, bro. Give me some fish. Fish. I'm gonna go into the water. Can't? Okay. Some fish, bro. Where are you going, fish? Come here. Yeah, boy. Look at that big boy fish, boy. Yeah, boy. Look at that fish. Look at that fish, boy. Keep. They just throw it away? No, I kept it. Catch another fish. Boom. Give me that fish, boy. Give me that fish, boy. Got one, boys. We got one. One more. Wait, I should wait. Frick. Okay. Now, guys, want to hear a joke? How do you plan this party? Plan it. Good one, right? I have another one. Wait, let me catch this fish. Oh, that's a cute little fish. Okay, I got another one. Why don't eggs tell jokes? Because they would crack each other up. I have another one. What do you call a fake spaghetti? Okay, I'm done. Done being cringe. Play games which are trending and upload vids like people and upload. Thanks for the advice, but people like have to pay for it. I don't want to pay. Is it free? I don't think so. I did try to play scheduled one, but I'm not gonna lie, I didn't like that game. I did not like it though. Upload 30-minute vids? Why specifically 30 minutes? Teach me. I wanna know if you know something that I don't know. Why specifically 30-minute vids? Fish. Go. Longer the better you get better RPM. What's RPM? Wait. What's RPM? Oh, revenue. Oh, okay. I don't know because I don't make revenue. I know, but I don't even make anything. But yeah, thank you for the advice though. Longer the better. Okay. I will definitely upload like a lot of the games that I played on Steam. I played like a billion games. I'm gonna upload like a lot of games. Played so much. Played Fortnite. Marvel Rivals. Fish, go. I changed the fishing spot. Okay. Press escape. The local map. Okay. Escape. Let's go fishing. Here. No, not here. No, not here. Go fishing. Try to get into GTA because GTA 6 is gonna be crazy. But GTA 6 is never coming out, bro. They lied to you. They lied to you. GTA 6 is never coming out. But we got everything before GTA. fish out. Fish. Hello, fish. Hello, fish. There's no fish here, chat. No fish here. Where the fish at? I could play GTA 6. I mean, people watch if I play GTA 5. That's still a popular thing. I have it. I can play it. No one. No fish, chat. No, there's little fish. Ba-da. Ba-ba. Ba-da. Alright, I'm fishing. Wanna hear another joke, chat? I have another joke. Wait. Let me cook. Fish here first. Then. Okay. I have another joke up my sleeve. Yeah. Why did the bicycle fall over? Why did the bicycle fall over? It was tired. I'm sorry, chat. I would not surprise if you right now. Well, no fishes here, bro. What do I do with this game? What is this? Oh, yeah. Oh, mister. Oh, mister. Are you fishing here? Give me a fish, bro. Give me a come on here. Come on, bro. Can I fight? Give me a fish, bro. Come closer. Come closer. Okay, I'll come closer. What do you want, huh? What do you want? What do you want, huh? What? Oh, hell nah, bro. What is that? Oh, hell. Wait, let me. Fish. Oh, oh, fish. Oh, what are you doing? He's not even putting his thing in the water. Bro, I swear, bro, this game. Where's the fish at? Come close. Was it? Wait, I got a fish. I got a fish. Oh, hell no. Are you serious? Oh my god, dude. I got what? Weed? What? What? More weed? What the frick is that? That, bro? Oh my god. Some butter. Did he? What the? Did he? What the? Nah, this game, bro. I'm done with this game. I'm done with this game, bro. What is that? What the? Oh my god. Okay, chat, I don't think fish anymore. Done with this game. Alt F4, right? You said Alt F4. I think I'm gonna do that. You said Alt F4. Alt F4. You know, we could play a little more. Nothing. Found a fish. Got Diddy here. What is this game? Okay, let's see if we can cook something. Oh, I probably shouldn't move. Okay. Not move. I will not be moved. Okay, Alt F4. Nice game. That was fun.